I'm so ready.
Manny, do you want your jacket?
Sure.
Do you want your jacket?
You know what? Keep it ready for her. No, I'm fine. Keep it ready
sure?
for her so she could put it on and she could.
Okay, let's have you like here against that wall. Let me see. How about you like flutter out the dress towards my lens? Walk towards me, take a step towards me. Yeah, that's cute actually when you were kind of like looking out that way. Looking here and how about do that one more time, looking here? You are unreal. This is not facing her at all. I love it.
I love this.
Okay, yeah. Let's have you like kind of to the side. Yeah. Stay right there. I'm gonna flutter out that dress a little. Yeah. How about you're sitting, like leaning back on the ledge?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. Yeah, lift up the dress a little to show, yeah. I like that, how you had your hand kind of like that, yeah. Leaning back. Okay, let's do some action shots. Is that a cat?
It's a cat.
Cat, can you be in our picture? Excuse me, can you be in our picture? You're looking at me.
She's interested in this. She's like, I want to attack that.
This is cute, Oh, got you.
Cool.
So I got the other. How about you're walking past me for the shot, okay? And do it one more time. And looking like over here, okay?
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
And go back. And looking here. Keep walking. Let's just keep walking out here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, those are awesome. Great job. Okay, let's put your jacket on and then move to, Manny's jacket on. You don't even, she's like, let's just go.
I'm like, yeah, I'm ready.
I love this. Okay. What other areas? Have like your hands there? Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Love that. Yes. Don't move. How about you just use me? And keep moving. Love that. Do that one more time. You kind of like leaned in. Lift your chin up even more. And keep moving. Make it bigger. Great. You are just amazing. Like, is she a real person? Look.
Whoa, that's. Oh my gosh. I can't, dude. Oh my gosh.
So cool.
Whoa, what the heck is happening? Whoa.
Maybe something like this, but which I like how you fluffed up the dress.
Yeah.
So something like that.
Okay.
Like at the ends, yeah.
Yeah,
Like how
got
this
it.
was coming out, like not symmetrical, yeah. And like leaning back on this, yeah. Beautiful, great job. See right there?
Gotta fix it, make it short.
Let's cross from here. How about you have like your arms like extended up there? Oh, never mind. Never mind.
It's like up
I lied. We're advertising. We're doing a photo shoot for 24 times. Yeah, I kind of like this. This is cute.
Yeah, I thought so.
The wedding photographer's coming out.
Oh my God, are you literally making fun of me? The wedding photographer is coming out. It's actually so funny.
She is. I'm a wedding photographer.
Beautiful. Great job. Literally, model of the year goes to you.
Aww.
I love the ones where you're leaning in. Yeah.
Noted. Okay.
Great job. Yeah, even leaning in towards the side, yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Ah, jeez. Thank you.
Old lady knees.
I know, seriously, like physically I'm 90, but like deep inside I'm like 12. Actually, I want to get one last one of you right here.
Okay.
A couple last ones, just like full. Okay, and then let's do some with the flowers, and I think we'll have enough.
Oh, cheers.
This is like summer barbecue weather in Michigan, you know, like bust out the grill, corn on the cob, picnic,
The steaks, all the meat.
a baptism maybe. Who knows? It's nice weather for me. I don't know. I don't know. At first, I was kind of like, I don't know how people are gonna react to the dress, but like you're owning it. You're just having so much fun. I love it. Okay, so there's this flower.
Do you want me getting close to it?
You can like
Don't
sit
wanna
here.
carry the dress.
It's okay. That's why I got it. But please be careful because there's thorns and. Okay. We're gonna clone stamp this one rose and then really just, you know. Yeah. Okay, that's cute. Okay, wait. So let's let's have you try different poses and we'll see which one works best, maybe. Yeah, kind of like, yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah. Yeah, stay right there. And keep moving. Kind of like put it next to your eye even, yeah. And like looking out this way. Let's do a really close one, yeah. Do something kind of like this and then the rose is in one of your other hands, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, kind of like that, yeah. Yeah, stay right there. My gosh, my knees are gonna be like broken after this. I gotta like go to a shop, get them fixed, you know?
We got the shop right there.
The car shop? Okay, probably. We get in the shops? Okay, let's move to other area, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so there's a lot of dirt coming up. And actually walk towards me. Okay, now let's do that last thing, and I think we're done. We've got enough.
With the rabbit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you guess where she's from, Manny? Can you guess where she's from?
No.
He's like, nah.
I can't. Like, no. But
What's
where
your
are you
best
from?
guess? No, don't tell him. Where do you think?
I can't. I don't have no idea. What's your name?
Sarah Hemi.
I don't know.
Wait, do I say where I'm from?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm from New Zealand, like originally.
Oh, New Zealand.
Yeah.
New Zealand.
It's your accent?
No, but I don't know what they sound like, but.
Like, if I say Sarah Hemi, the he is very New Zealand, that he.
Yeah.
One of my favorite YouTubers for NBA 2K is from
New Zealand?
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should go there. It's a pretty great place. It's so beautiful, honestly.
I've seen.
It is very pretty. But that flight though, I don't know. Let me just back up a little. Keep moving your arms. Yeah, those are great, yeah. Bring your shoulder in even, yeah. Right, stay right there.
Don't. Are you okay? They're full. They're full.
I liked it when you had like, yeah, right. Oh, okay, we're gonna move out of his way. We're gonna move out of his way because
My bunny.
I'm sorry. I think we've got enough. I think we've got enough. This is so funny. I love this. Love it.
I feel so comfortable, which is so strange. Like, I'm just like, yeah. What's up?
You're a true professional, that's why.
It's great.
Do we want to do the slide?
Oh, that's kind of cool though.
Right?
Yeah.
Snoopy, yellow Snoopy looking guy.
Fit though.
Like you can just be like leaning on it.
I see.
So there's a yellow Snoopy looking thing, but there's like actual kids here and we're not trying to take away their play spots, you know? Because if I were a kid and somebody's modeling on the bunny that I'm trying to like ride on, I'd be pissed, you know? I kind of want to go to the Snoopy, but we're going to let the kids have it because I'm not trying to ruin their childhood, you know? Okay. No, go ahead. No, please, do your thing. We won't, yeah, please, no, don't. It's a playground for kids, it's fine.
So amazed with this.
Aw, she's so sweet, thank you. Go have fun, go on the bunny. Of course, we're sorry, we don't want to.
Oh, should we move?
Yeah, I'll just get this. I won't get any of the kids in the picture. Yeah, because I'm not trying to take away that from, you know, I feel like, yeah. Kids first.
You satisfied?
I could shoot for like another like 5 hours, but I'm not gonna do that, so. Yeah, was so much fun to shoot.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun too. I don't want to take it off.
I mean, you could wear it out if you want. You could kind of
McDonald's with it.
So anyways, we would love to thank our amazing model, Sarah, for modeling this dress. You did so well.
Thank you so much.
How did you feel? Because you were modeling in this, so how was it?
I don't know. I'm just like out here embracing it. It's kind of cold, but I don't know. I feel really like I don't know.
I love
That's
it.
like my explanation. Just like watch me. You know.
I love it. So we're gonna call it a day. We're here in Tokyo. We're gonna get McDonald's probably. Yeah. Are we being healthy?
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. See you guys
good.
later. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.